In this video, I'll show you how to create scenes, control multiple devices with a single tap. Managing multiple devices across rooms can be time consuming. With scenes, you can control everything in one tap. Lights, fans, curtains, TV, AC, all set exactly how you want. Whether it's movie mode or good night, your home adjusts instantly and consistently every time. No missed steps, no repeated effort, just the perfect setup every single time. In this video, I'll show you how to create a scene. First, open your home automation app. Go to the bottom menu and tap on automation. Now tap on the plus icon to add a new automation. Select scene. Enter a name for your scene. For example, movie mode or good night. Next, select the room where you want to apply this scene. Now choose the appliances you want to control. For each device, set the action, turn it on or off, adjust dimming, change color, or open and close curtains. Once everything is set, tap OK, then tap Create. That's it. Your scene is ready. Now you can control multiple devices in one tap exactly the way you want. Thank you.